Hi friends, I'm Thirk. You're watching Tech with Unique, and today we're going to see how to create a multicolor text effect on your kinemaster mobile editing application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To create the multicolor text effect on your kinemaster, first of all select a black image on your screen for the first thing. Then you just need to, if you just need to increase the view seconds, you can just increase it. Now you just need to go to the layer option, just add the text first. So here I'm just going to type my name, then click OK, and now you just extract the text and fit to the page like this to the whole screen. Now next option, you just need to click on the layer option and just click on the handwriting, and now you will see this option. You just select the pencil and you just need to click on the lens. This is the size, and just click on this large size. Click on the red color shade first, any color, and just color it like this. Then choose another color. So I'm just going to select green here. So I just use green. Now just going to change to yellow. So you can see I just changed this to yellow, and next to be a blue color. I just apply the blue color, and here I just going to apply another color. Okay. So we just applied a lot of colors here. So now you just click on this handwriting option, and you will see a pop-up on this side. You can see, and just you have a lot of options. Click on the blending option and just change this blending option to the multiply. So it will be look like this. Now you just need to make a overall transformation into flick like this. So you can just use this plus option or blind show. So you have a lot of options to here to make this like this. So I just use this option over animation as a jitter. So you can GITT or jitter option. So now if you just play this video clip, you can see the how it's look like. This is a super multicolor animated text. You can just create this effect by using this option. You just need to create the handwriting, and you just need to blend this to the overlay to the multiply and just add this animation effect. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.